Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the port and software, so the rest works predictably. Check that the USB-C jack advertises audio or alternate mode. Otherwise, the headphones won't pass sound. Once done, update your operating system's audio drivers so the device is recognized cleanly. Make sure you have the earphones, and if your earphones are USB-C but the PC requires 3.5 mm, grab a certified adapter to bridge the connection. Now connect the earphones directly into the USB-C port or into your verified adapter, pressing until you feel a secure click. Loose insertion causes dropouts. Then open your system's sound settings and select the newly listed USB-C audio device for both playback and microphone if supported. If you hear distortion or latency, change the sample rate and bit depth in advanced audio properties to match the earphone's capabilities for cleaner, lower latency audio. Finish by running a quick audio and microphone test so you know both directions work. Play a familiar track and record a short sample. If the device does not appear or audio is intermittent, reboot the PC, try another USB-C port, and reinstall the audio drivers to clear driver-level conflicts. If problems persist, test the earphones on a phone or swap adapters to isolate whether the earphones, adapter, or PC port is at fault. This narrows down the fix fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.